You have a laptop computer and a power cable. You plug the power cable in and your laptop's not charging. What do you do? Hi, I'm Mike Locascio. My channel is about computer repairs and helping people with their computers and teaching people how to fix their computers. That's what I do. I've been doing that for 23 years. That's my passion. And I'm a computer technician in Florida, and I've been making videos on YouTube for about 2 months. And I have a lot of videos that could help you with your computer issues. So check them out. And if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Today's topic is my laptop's not charging. Okay, you have a laptop and you plug it in now and it won't charge. Well, there's a couple of things that could be going wrong. First tip I would say is check and make sure everything's plugged in right. The laptop and the charger and the power cable is plugged in good. You have power from the wall. Your prong is all the way inside the laptop, powered on. Go to power options and see if it's charging. Now, if that's not charging, check the light on your power cable. Make sure that's a solid green light, because it's got to be solid green in order to charge. If that light's not going on, it's very possible you have a bad power cable. Now, if everything is working fine and your power cable's fine, the green light is on fine, everything's plugged in good, and your battery's good, but it's not charging, I would say that you have a DC jack issue. And what that means is that your laptop's not charging because where you plug it into the laptop, that plug inside came loose and it's not getting a good connection on the motherboard to charge. So that needs to be resoldered. Okay, so have that resoldered and take it to a shop, have that done. Or if you're a good solderer, you open up the laptop and solder that little piece on, because it came loose from people stepping on the charger or tripping over it. A lot of things make that loose. Another tip I would give you is look at that charger, look at that prong inside, get a small screwdriver and just fiddle that around in there. And if it's moving or if it's all the way back, take a little screwdriver and pull it out some, okay? And then plug in your charger again. You might not be getting a good enough ground. If it's not grounding, it's not going to charge. So try pulling that out, that pin inside the laptop itself, out a little bit. Because if you notice on your laptop plug, the chrome area on the outside is the ground, and the hole in the middle is where your power goes in. So make sure you pull that out a little bit and then try it. And then that may fix it. That could be the answer to your laptop all of a sudden charging again. You can see it down by the light, or check out the power options and see if it says charging now. And check that out. Make sure it's plugged in all the way. And that could be a very good, easy fix for your laptop charging. You can also go to power options and make sure that light is on and it says battery's charging, and whatever number's on there, it'll start from there. Laptops are a little touchy when it comes to that. People bring them to me all the time, and they may have power issues, and I have to resolder that on the motherboard. But sometimes that pin is sticking inside, so it just has to come out a little bit, and you're back in business. But I would recommend in the long run having that, either put a new pin on or just having that resoldered on, because that fix will work for a while. But excuse me, as that pin, as you keep plugging it in, that pin will go deeper and deeper, and then eventually it might do the same thing again. So that's the tip on laptop charging, and I hope this video helped you a lot. And if it did, please subscribe to my channel and like it and share my video. And if you have any comments, leave them below. If you want to get other computer repair tips, look at my other videos I have, and they should help you. Again, this is Mike Locascio from Mike Locascio, mslcomputerservice.com. That's my website. You can also check that out, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye, everyone.